Welcome to BoostMind AI. Today I'm revealing the exact AI productivity hacks that helped me save over 20 hours every single week. These are real tools and strategies I personally use to automate tasks, eliminate distractions, and get more done in less time. Let's dive right in. First up, content generation with ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to write video scripts, email replies, outlines, and brainstorm new ideas in seconds instead of staring at a blank page. I prompt ChatGPT with a goal, audience, and tone. And it gives me a great first draft. This alone saves me hours every week. Next is task automation with Zapier and AI integrations. I connect apps like Gmail, Notion, Google Calendar, and ChatGPT using simple automations. For example, when I schedule a new meeting, it auto-generates a prep document with ChatGPT and adds it to my Notion dashboard. No manual copy-paste, just smooth automation. Now let's talk about meeting notes. I use AI transcription tools like Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai. They automatically join Zoom calls, transcribe everything, and summarize the meeting. I no longer take notes during meetings. I just review the AI-generated summary afterward and stay focused during the conversation. That alone saves about 3 to 4 hours a week. Next, content repurposing with AI. When I record a video like this one, I use tools like Pictory.ai and Descript to turn one video into multiple formats: shorts, blog posts, email newsletters, and social content, all automatically generated and edited using AI instead of making new content from scratch. I just repurpose what I already have. Another massive time saver is email and message replies. I created a few custom GPTs that write responses based on my tone and usual writing style. I just review and tweak before sending, but I rarely type from scratch anymore. For research, I use Perplexity AI and Claude to find answers, summarize articles, and fact-check information. This cuts research time in half and helps me avoid the endless scroll trap. Bonus hack: voice commands. I use AI voice tools on my phone and desktop to dictate ideas, write emails, or brainstorm while walking or commuting. It turns dead time into productive time. Now here's the big takeaway: the real productivity boost doesn't come from using AI once, it comes from systemizing your workflow so AI handles your repeat tasks automatically. That's how I consistently save 20+ hours a week. And you can too. Start by identifying what you do repeatedly, then look for ways to automate or optimize with AI. It doesn't have to be perfect, just start. Thanks for watching BoostMind AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more weekly tips on AI, automation, and productivity. Let me know in the comments, which AI hack are you going to try first? See you in the next one.